Good afternoon, everybody. Pam here. Well, I thought this afternoon I might read you a story. Now, if you can see this picture behind me, a friend of mine drew that picture. Her name is Tula. I used to work with Tula. And when we read this story of big rain coming, Tula actually was wonderful. She used to draw pictures out of these books that we had. Now, the author of this book is called Katrina Germain, and she grew up in Adelaide, and in 1997 she began teaching in the Northern Territory at Minyeri, a remote Aboriginal community southeast of Katherine. And the illustrator of this book, you remember what the illustrator does? That's right, she draws the pictures. Well, her name is Bronwyn Bancroft, and she is a descendant of the Bundjalung people, and she grew up in Tenterfield, New South Wales. So let's read about big rain coming. On Sunday afternoon, old Stephen nodded to the dark clouds spreading in the sky. Coming. They might be called rain clouds, and the sun is starting to disappear behind the clouds. Big rain coming, he said. Big rain. But on Monday, there was no rain. The night was so warm, Rosie's kids dragged their beds outside to maybe feel some breeze while they were sleeping. Here they are, sleeping under the stars, trying to catch a cool breeze to cool them down. On Tuesday, there was still no rain. No rain clouds could be seen. The panting dogs at Roberta's camp dug themselves dusty holes to keep cool. Dogs like to do that. They might find a spot under the veranda and dig a hole and lay in it when it's very hot, and that helps to keep them cool. And there are the dogs there, laying in their holes. Wednesday came, still no rain, just blue, blue sky. The children swam in the billabong after school. The water was warm and still. It's a nice billabong to swim in, I think. On Thursday night, there was still no rain. There they are. Still no rain. The fat green frogs huddled around the leaky tap on the rainwater tank. And there's the frogs. Can you see them trying to catch the drips of water coming out of the tank? Still no clouds in the sky. Then on Friday evening, the thick grey clouds over the hills were echoing with thunder. Boom, 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 as they bumped together. Boom. Big rain coming, said Stephen. It's coming. But you know what? There was still no rain. However, on Saturday, there was rain. Wonderful, cool, wet rain. And there they are, dancing and singing and playing in the rain. And that was the story of Big Rain Coming. Well, I hope you enjoyed that story today, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Bye.